Okay, hey guys. So I wanted to get on with you guys today and just have a little chat. I was starting to feel a little triggered yesterday, and I thought maybe I could come on here and talk about it, and maybe it would help some of you guys. You have to excuse me. I had to take my vertigo meds. Sorry. I had to take my vertigo meds yesterday, and they usually make me really sleepy and kind of like, so. Um, Tired and not really awake. So I'm like super like groggy and drowsy. Probably not the best time to be filming a video, but we're just gonna go with it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing these like sit down type videos very often. I feel like I've kind of done like 3 or 4 in the last couple of weeks. So I said my last one was going to be my last one, and here I am again. But I don't know. I kind of like sitting down with you guys. I thought we could talk about like a wax topic and you guys could sound off in the comments about it. But I'm just going to be honest. I was feeling really triggered when I bought from L3 yesterday. Not that it's a big deal or anything, but I just felt like I don't know. I was feeling a little. I guess maybe because I haven't bought wax in such a long time that for me it was just like I don't want to fall into the same patterns that I was in before, which was constantly buying from every restock, every vendor that I liked. Every time they had a restock, I was like, oh, I have to get in on that. Sorry, Champ's in here with me playing with his what we call lovies. So where was I going? Oh yes. So I started to feel a little triggered. I was like, but I had a list. I went in with a list. I tried to pick a little bit from each category that I know that I like. So I was like, okay, that's fine. I wasn't in the past. Like I remember when she came out with what was the blend? There was a blend that she had come out with, and I went nuts buying like 5 loaves in that one different scent, but different variations of the scent. And I was just like, oh, geez. So now I have, it was the same thing with like Cookie Monster. Yeah, it was a Cookie Monster. And then now it's like the strawberry pound cake. And like there's all these little trends that pop up in wax. And it's like you buy every variation in them. And then like Cookie Monster, for instance, like I did not like I was like, what in the hell was I thinking? I don't even like Cookie Monster. And I bought like from VCS, I bought some of her like huge bags of Cookie Monster. So I learned my lesson that way. So what I did with my goal was with my list, I was like, okay, let me get a couple of different things from different scent categories, not all the same category, and let's move forward with that. So I stuck to my list. And then this morning, I was looking on the site again, seeing what was left over, as I'm sure some of us do. And I clicked off, thank God. So no casualties. But I mean, it's so easy. The thing with L3 though is with Jennifer and her team, they pour a ton of wax and they listen to your scent requests. Like if you have something drummed up in your mind that you want her to pour, you can just simply request it at her next restock when she asks. You just have to be active on the page or whatever, or in her group. And you can go say, hey, this is the scent that I'm looking for. Or I previously had the scent that I really, really liked, and I would like to get it again. So you just ask for it. And I think usually she accommodates your request. So how many vendors do you purchase from where it's like pulling teeth to try to get them to pour a scent that you want or that you liked? So I really appreciate that about her business. And I like L3's probably jumped up to maybe one of my, well, I haven't really categorized them in quite a while, so I don't know, but she's definitely my top 10. My friend Lauren, I don't know if you're still around, but I'm sure you are out there somewhere. I know she's quite busy though too. She introduced me to them in 2013, 2000, no, maybe 2015, I think she introduced me to L3. And since then, I've just been kind of on and off the page, but more recently, well, like within the last like 3 years, I feel like I've become more interested in her because she has a ton of oils, different oils. She does a lot of different scents, whatever. Anyways, this wasn't supposed to be like an L3 sing along or whatever, kumbaya or whatever like that. That's just the most recent restock that I purchased from. But anyways, I was feeling just a little triggered, and I'm wondering what you guys do. Like the best bet for me. So this is what I kind of did today and what I've been trying to do. And maybe this might help someone, or maybe this will work for somebody. But I went and I found something else to do, like something just to get me off the internet, just, something to get my mind off the restock, that there's still stuff on the site, that kind of thing. Also, I'm in this Facebook group that I think Devin started. If I can remember what the name of the group is, I'll put it, post a link to the group down below. But they have an accountability group. I don't know how active it is, though. I feel like it kind of, I mean, I don't know. I haven't been in there in a while either. So maybe it is still pretty active, but I think it started off strong. And yeah, I would like to see it. I'd like to see more people in there, maybe posting. But I did post my empties in there the other day, and I think they call things units in there. So like if you have one bag of like wackadoodle from Rose Girls, you call that one unit. So I put like that I was 30 units down and that I had hauled 11 from the pharmacist's daughter. So it was kind of an accountability, so you could see how many things you let out and how many things you brought in. So that was helpful. So yeah, I'd like to be more active in that group because they, try to hold people accountable and whatnot. It's a really like gloomy day here, and all of a sudden the sun just like popped out. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, so yeah, that was just it. So if you could just tell me in the comments below if you like what triggers you, like what are your triggers and what do you do if they occur? That's another thing I'd be interested to know. Yeah, and I just wanted to get on here and just be honest for a second that I did haul from L3, but I did plan on the L3. Like it wasn't just like oh, they're having a restock kind of thing. I did plan it. So I do feel okay about that. But I mean, I think going forward, this channel is mostly going to be about the warm reviews, not a bunch of hauls. Cause like I said, I don't want to like put out into the YouTube landscape, however you want to phrase it, that um, haul, 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 haul. I think you guys enjoy the warm reviews better anyways. I feel like more people watch those videos. I don't know. I haven't really looked at like the stats or anything. So I probably should look at that and see what's going on there. See if you guys do enjoy those more. I don't know. So anyways, okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you. I'll be interested to see your comments down below, and just pop in and say hi if you haven't said hi in a while. And I will see you guys in my next warm reviews. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye guys.